What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and this is Little Presley. Tonight, we'll be showing you how to bake some salmon. Honey garlic butter salmon. So easy and convenient. You have a little one to take care of. You just prep it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes to cook, and it's done. Dinner is served. Right now, at Tom Thumb, $5.99 a pound. Get yours today, and let's get to cooking. My name is Tony Two-Ton. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring that bell to get notified. Support the family, support the love, the happiness, and the food. All right? Get to cooking. Let's get to cooking. Let's go. Woo! Bang! What's up, guys? Just finished with the seasoning, the butter garlic seasoning. Here's the piece of salmon right here. Look at that salmon. That is super fresh. So this is a 4-pound salmon. We're gonna cut a quarter off, so it'll be 3 pounds. I have a small family. We don't eat that much. So if you have a bigger family, cook as much as you want. Just add more ingredients. We're gonna prep it up. Lay the foil down, lay the lemon down, and then we're gonna get to baking. Let's go. the finished product. Can you see that? That is a piece of art right there. Let's try the first bite. Look at that, guys. That is a beauty, right? It's like taking a bite of heaven. Very delicious, super fresh. You taste the lemon, the honey, the garlic, and the butter. I can eat that every day. That is super easy and convenient. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring that bell for me, all right? All right, we out. Bye, 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 bye.